Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, and in this video I'll guide you through how to fix touch lagging or unresponsive screen problems on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to get smooth touch functionally back. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Now let's begin.